Use the null factor law to find x for x minus 5, x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we want the value of x that makes the first bracket 0. Well, that would just be x is 5. 5 take away 5 being 0. Or the value of x that makes the second bracket 0. And that would be negative 1. Because negative 1 add 1 would be 0. In the second example, both brackets are the same, x minus 5, and the value 5 would make those 0. Here we have 2x plus 1, 3x minus 7 equals 0. So if we want this first bracket to be 0, we get 2x plus 1 equals 0. And if we want the second bracket to be 0, we get 3x minus 7 equals 0. Solving this equation, we get 2x equals negative 1. Divide both sides by 2, x is negative a half. Here, add 7 to both sides, 3x is 7, and divide by 3, so x would be 7/3.